Howdy everybody, this here's the TractorMan, and today fixing to get ourselves some oil delivered from the oil man. Well, out here in the snow, everybody needs oil. Hell yeah. That's what we're gonna do. A little fresh air, get some oil delivered with the TractorMan. Got my trusty lantern. Hell yeah. Everybody needs a lantern. Never know. Well, got my soda pop. Hell yeah. God damn, that's some song soda pop. Hell yeah. Get a little thirsty out here working on the farm and getting the oil tank ready. Well, excuse me. Nice and cold. Well, what we're gonna do here, get my trusty shovel. Everybody's got a trusty shovel, and go on and clear the oil tank off. Sure enough, everybody gotta get ready for the cold weather. Hell yeah. Clear the tank off and get ready to get yourself some oil. Hell yeah. Well, excuse me. Gotta call the oil man. Got my trusty cellular phone, so gonna call him, see what he says. Pardon me. Hello? Yeah. I'd like to order some oil for my oil tank. Hell yeah. Gotta get my furnace ready for the winter. Well, sure, I could hold. Damn oil man. Hello? Yeah, I got money. Sure enough. Bring it on out to the farm. Round back. Yeah, put it in the tank. Well, thank you. Take care now. Damn oil man. Well, taking that care of. So, well, you know, everybody's gonna need some oil. Getting cold out. Hell yeah. Well, gotta get going, everybody. Take care now. See you later. There's a TractorMan.